then also this one plus c. So when you multiply this one times this, so it becomes bx squared. So this times this, which becomes plus c, bx. So this one times this plus cx plus c. So now what we are going to do now is grouping them. Grouping those of x squared, bringing them together. That means we are collecting like terms. So for this case, it becomes 2x plus 1 is equivalent to, so I'll get this one, which is a plus b x squared. So again, we are now considering this one and that, so which becomes plus 7a plus b plus c x, and also is this one, which is plus 2a plus 2a, then again b we don't have, so plus a c. So I think you see the way I have grouped these things. So I want to equate those one with the same variables. Those one with x squared, equate them with x squared. Those ones with x, equate with those ones of x. And also those ones without, equate with those ones which are just constants. Now for that case, since this side doesn't have any component of x squared, I will say that means our a plus b equals a 0. But when doing this, you must get the real values like what you got at first. Also, we are seeing that this one also here, okay, just got this one, the component of x is 2. So we take the constant which is outside just before the x, so which is a 2. So for this case, we shall say a, which is 7a. But for this case, if we have seen that a plus b equals 0, that means our a is same as negative b. So here we are seeing that 7a, so this one call it equation 1, 7a plus b plus c equals, this side is 2. So since here we have said a is negative, b can just substitute. So here it becomes negative 7b plus a b, then plus c equals a 2. So this and this, which will give us negative 6b plus a c equals a 2. So this one be equation 2. Also, let us consider now this one here and this. So we shall say that 2a plus a c equals 1. So, but we saw that a is the same as a b. Since we have to write everything in terms of b and c, we can just put in. So here it is 2, that is negative 2b after substituting in the value of a, that is plus c equals 1, equation 3. So now we have to solve equation 2 and 3 simultaneously. So here we have negative 6b plus c equals 2. Also negative 2b plus c equals. So I have to subtract the two equations. So this and this, which will give us negative 4b. So this minus this, which gives us a 1. So our b is the same as our b is negative 1 out of 4. So that will be our b. So also, let me see if it is clear. Okay. B is a quarter, negative a quarter. Also, negative b Okay, negative 3 is a quarter. So also, we go to the other one, putting the b here in either this one, or this one, what we have is negative 2b, then plus c equals 1. So put in the value of b, so here it becomes negative 2 into negative 1 up to 4, plus c equals 1. So when we try to reduce this is a half equals half plus c equals 1. Then we take this one, that means our c will be negative a half. So c is negative a half. Then we have to get now the value of a. So our a is negative b. That means our a is a quarter. So I think those are the sum of the things which we have got. Now that one is, if we have got that one, that means everything you have got is correct, and you have substituted back in the other what is here. Substituting the value of a, b, and c, then get the results. That is what we have to do about that. We are going to another question which we had in number 3. Assuming this one we have got it. So we are continuing with example 3, and you're saying is 1 out of x cubed minus 9x. So we said when they give you such a question, first see whether it can be factorized. So for this case, this one will be equal to 1 out of x into, because here x is common, you factorize it out, that is x squared minus 9. So you take also what you have got, whether it can be factorized like this one, the x squared and 9. You can see that the sign which is in between them is a minus. So that means this one can express it in terms of a cube of a square. That means 9 has a square. So for that case, this one gives us 1 out of x into x squared, and the square of 9, which is 3 squared. So for this case, this one will give us the 1 out of x into, this one also is the difference of 2 squares, which gives us x plus 3, then again x minus 3. So we are dealing with 1 out of x into x plus 3 into x minus 3. So this one is equivalent to, now this one, all of them are linear because we have broken them into their simplest form. So we say a out of x plus b out of x plus 3 plus c out of x minus 3. So for this case, then we say 1 is equivalent to this one and this, which give us, we get the LCM first, which the LCM is this, so which will give us the same thing here, So for that case, we say when you divide all of this in by this, which gives us that it gives us a into x plus 3, then x minus 3, then plus the value of b, which is b times x into x minus 3, also plus the value of c, x into x plus 3. So from that case, I said when we reach on this step, we see which number can we substitute and give us a 0 on a certain occasion. For that case, I'm going to consider a 3 when x equals 3. Now for this case, since there's nothing like x the other side of the left hand side, so I'm going just to apply this side, then I say 1 is equal to, when I put here 3, that is 6, but when I put a 3 here on the negative, that one gives me 0, that means everything here is 0. Also when I put here 3, this one is 0, and when I put a 3 here, this one gives me, because this is c times x, so which gives me, like when I substitute here, 3 plus 3, which is a 6, then times 3 again, which gives me 18c. That means the value of c is 1 out of 18. Value of c is 1 out of 18. Also, you say now when x is a negative 3. So here we consider the when it is a 3, and also let us consider when x is negative 3, so that when I put in this one, everything will die to 0, and when I put also on this one will go to 0, so I remain with only this. So it becomes the 1 equals 2. The 1 equals 2. So when I place here the 3, the negative 3, which gives me negative 6. So negative 6 times negative 3, which gives me 18b. So the value of b here is an out of 18. So after getting the value of b, also now we are looking forward to getting that which you can substitute and give us a 0 on this one and this one, so that we can remain with a which we can get. So we say when, so you first see which one can we put here really. When you put 1, it cannot go. When you put negative 1, it cannot go. But also when I put here 0, this 0 will multiply with this one to go to 0, and multiply also with the big one to go to 0. The same applies to this one. So for that case, this one will give, when I say when x equals 0, that means for that case, all of this one will go away, so I remain with 1 equals 2. This and this, which gives me, this will be 3 times the negative c, which is negative 9a. That means our a is negative 1 out of 9. So having got the values of a, b, and c, so I come back in this, I substitute in the values of a, b, and c. So I'm going to substitute it from here. I say therefore this one gives me, from here this one gives me, putting again that will be negative 1 out of, let me be somehow orderly. Since this one you have seen how it comes about. So this one gives us that if we say 1 out of x cubed minus 9x, this one will give us something like, the value of a is negative 1 out of the value of 8 was negative 1 out of 9, so it is negative 1 out of 9x. So we continue, this one is plus, now we are going to b is 1 out of 18, but this one is x plus 3. Then again plus 1 out of 18 to x minus 3. So that is will be our expression in terms of partial fractions. So that's by doing this one, we have expressed this in terms of partial fraction. So let us first have a short commercial break so that we can start straight away on other examples. So thank you.